To stretch the hamstring on a dog, it's best to have the dog laying on his side in a nice, comfortable position. To stretch the hamstring, you need to move the leg forward while keeping it straight. Now notice how the physiotherapist positions her hands. She's got one hand on the dog's knee, the stifle, to help push it straight, and the other one is on the dog's ankle or hock, and that will allow her to move the limb forward as well as to straighten it. You want to take the stretch just before the point where the dog will be a bit uncomfortable with it. So look for just a little bit of tensing of the muscle, maybe a bit of an intake of breath. That's where you hold the stretch, and you want to hold it for 15 to 20 seconds. It's always nice if you can do it 2 or 3 times in a row. At no point should this be an unpleasant event for your dog. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.